Hello and welcome to our How to Spatial Work video guide series, created by Hyverlab. Digital twins made easy for everybody and for a more sustainable future. In today's video, we'll dive into SpatialWorks industry template and showcase some of our demo projects. You'll get an in-depth look at how different features interact within a digital twin project, providing a clearer understanding of its capabilities and applications. We believe this is an essential part of the learning process, as it will help you understand how spatial work can be utilized across various industries and applications. All demos are available after registering an account with Hyverlab. To access them, simply log in to SpatialWorks afterwards. All demos have a different digital twin environment, with various data that you can explore. Our goal is to expand our collection of demo templates to cover a wide range of industries, but our primary focus remains on logistics, supply chain, and manufacturing sectors. This means you'll encounter more automation systems and IoT-related environmental data rather than environments that are purely descriptive. Occasionally, we may also feature demos designed for specific scenarios, such as a large-scale smart city or specialized environments like operation rooms. These digital twin demos will showcase the expansive and flexible nature of spatial work, illustrating its potential benefits for you. Let's start with a project called Smart City One North. In this demo, our main goal is to demonstrate how we can integrate publicly available APIs, especially in the IoT sector, where we're surrounded by smart devices. Many devices offer open access, making it easier to integrate them with smart buildings or mobile apps, allowing for straightforward information retrieval. In this template, we aimed to improve management by connecting various IoT protocols, as there is quite a robust demand. We integrated with high-level, open APIs, including those for weather, traffic data, and car park information. After loading the project, use your keyboard and press keypad numbers 1 through 6 to access preset viewpoints. Each number corresponds to a specific set of live data, all sourced from the same weather API. For example, pressing 2 brings up air quality data. This template serves as a reference. By using the video spectrum as a digital platform, it presents information about the real environment, offering users the option to view data in a 2D dashboard. The 2D dashboard isn't a built-in feature. Instead, we created a specific viewpoint that acts like a preset camera angle. When you zoom in, it appears as a camera icon facing a certain direction. By using a shortcut, you can always return to this angle. To simulate a 2D panel, we placed 3D visualizations in such a way that they face directly towards the camera, aligning them on the X or Z axis. This technique is a useful tip for creating a 2D panel effect when no direct option exists. We will explain how to create 3D visualizations in other videos. These visualizations support displaying 4 types of data. These include values, gauges, bar charts, and table charts. This versatility enables effective report presentation. Please note that, in demo projects, editing the data source or adding notes is not possible because these projects are specifically created by our team. In the demo, editing capabilities are disabled to ensure the project's data and structure remain unchanged. However, you still have access to the planner interface. This means you can explore and interact with the interface, such as moving objects around, to get a feel for how the system works without making any permanent changes. If you make any changes, once you exit, and when you come back into your digital twin project, everything will be reset. There are other demos with a more very hands-on approach and more animation. By the way, in this project, besides the large-scale environment and visual data, you can also see some sample video camera feed. In viewer mode, go to the top of the environment menu and locate the drop-down menu. This is where the various camera feeds are located. You can choose, for example, CCTV feed. After clicking on it, it will show real-world feed within your SpatialWorks digital twin and play immediately. It is very easy to set up, and you can follow our How to SpatialWorks video guide series to learn how, if you are not familiar with the process yet. Next, let's view another demo. Remember to join our LinkedIn group and YouTube channel, so you are notified as soon as new features and updates are announced. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.